guys! Good morning! So it's currently day 2 here in Thailand and today is self-care day. Pumunta ka sa bangko, kailangan pumunta ka sa mga spa, sa mga massage. May mga Thai massage nga, diba? So they are really known for having great massages. So na-excite ako doon. So si Kokoy, Jax, and Ivan, pumunta na dun sa appointment nila kasi 10 AM yung appointment nila. Ako at si Maki, mga 11 AM pa. And yung pupuntahan namin is at Harn Heritage Spa Experience at Central World. It's around like 8 minutes away kung saan yung hotel namin dito sa The Continent. Pero aagahan pa rin namin kasi since Songkran ngayon, medyo traffic and mahirap mag-book ng Grab. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong ma-expect ko dun sa spa, pero I'm pretty sure magiging maganda yon. Papakita ko na lang din sa inyo. So, come with me for today's spa experience.
Our welcome drink reserved with a ginger tea mixed with pomegranate juice and honey. And our hot towel, we drop the essential oil, lavender, and lemongrass inspiration, our signature.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So far, worth it naman.
Oh.
Worth it naman yung nilakbay natin.
Sarap ba? You relaxed?
It's so unique.
So, ayan guys, nag-change outfit na ako. Ano to eh? Ano pa mapapakita? Meron akong pants. Ayan yung itsura ko. Cute! So, that's my outfit. Ito yung pinang-change. And then, maglilinis muna ako ng magkakaroon muna kami ng foot bath. And then, I feel like mag-change ako to a robe after this. And now, since I'm ready, I'm gonna ring the bell. And there.
And we love this scrap.
What is it?
And
A scrap, okay.
Yes.
Do I wear the robe? The robe? The robe?
Oh, no.
No. I just lie down now.
Yes.
Okay. I just do it first.
Yes. Our massage.
It's good. Okay, I feel new.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Just you.
Okay.
Can you prepare you change your clothes and make a tea for you?
Okay. Thank you. So, we are back here at the hotel. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-spa. Siyempre, hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung lahat na nangyari kasi bawal naman i-film yung lahat. Pero basically, puro ginawa sa akin is stretching. During yung massage, medyo nasasaktan ako kasi siguro hindi ako ganun ka-flexible or like, sobrang napipin talaga yung mga pressure points ko. Pero, eto, after a few minutes, okay naman na yung katawan ko. I feel like kailangan lang talaga niya ng really good stretch. Ayun, don't be afraid to try something new, guys. Kasi usually kapag nagpapamassage lang talaga ako, yung normal, ito dry massage. Kaya, hindi na ako na pinasuot ng robe. Meron akong damit. So, that's a first for me. You can book in Klook and use my code Justine5 off para meron kayong discount. Just go to World Tower, go straight, tapos makikita nyo may mga elevator doon. Click nyo yun, tapos pumunta kayo sa 12M. Yun yung floor. 12M talaga yung tawag. Pag nandun na kayo, diretso na yun, makikita nyo na yung spa. That's it for today's video. If you want to see more tips, travel tips, or anything like that, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time!